show you. Go to sleep. I'm gonna show you my, as I was saying, I'm gonna show you what cars I have in my garage at the moment. Go to my cars. I have the BMW M3 A30 Sports Evolution. Next car is a Ford Focus ST. Ford Shelby GT 500, which is my drift car. Not sure whether I should keep the body kit or not. I'm waiting to hear what you guys are thinking. The Mazda Team Need for Speed RX-8. The Mercedes-Benz 190E 2516 Evolution 2. The Nissan 240SX S13 Drift Alliance. The Porsche Carrera. The Porsche Cayman S, which is also my poorly drift car. And a lookalike of Paul Walker's Toyota Supra from the first Fast and the Furious. Right now I'll show you some drifting gameplay. I'll be back in a minute.